guys, it's Mrs. Toman, and it's time for math, where we learn about numbers, counting, comparing numbers, adding and subtracting. Math is so much fun. Let's get started. Okay, boys and girls, for a warm-up activity, I'm going to put a card down, and I want you to tell me how many dots there are before I say it. Ready? 2, 5, 5, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 5, 5, 1, 3, 1, 4, 3. Good job. Great job, boys and girls. So for today's lesson, you're going to be able to write, recognize, and name the number 1. So let's get started. Let's learn numbers. What number is this? Yes, this is the number 1. Can I write a number 1 in the sky? Start at the top, go straight down. Can you write a number 1 in the sky? Nice work. Do you have one nose? I have one nose too. Look at this dot cube. How many dots do you see on the cube? Yes, there is one dot. Can you think of something that you have one of? Maybe on your face. That's right, we have one nose and we have one mouth. What else do we have one of? Well, I have one bike. I have one car. I have one dog. Think about it. What do you have one of? Okay, boys and girls, it's now time to practice writing the number 1. And over here you will see how many fingers are pointing up. 1, that's right. It looks like this, right? Because there's one finger. And look at the dice. How many dots are on that die? Just 1. Very good job. Now it's time to learn how to write the number 1. We have a poem to help us remember. It's just straight down, then you're done. That's how we write a 1. So when you do it, you start at the dot, the black dot, and look at the arrow. The arrow is going down. So when you do it, you start at the dot, and you say just straight down, then we're done. That's how we write a 1. You do just straight down, then we're done. That's how we write a 1. Okay, let's try to stand up. We're going to try to skywrite it. So I want you to stand nice and straight. I want you to put your hand out nice, no bent wrist and no bent elbow. Nice and straight. You're going to start up high. You're going to say just straight down, then we're done. That's how we write a 1. And let's try that. I'm going to sit down, but you can stay standing. Have your arm out nice and straight with your two fingers. See if I can get that. With your two fingers pointing out. And as I am tracing it here, you're going to be tracing it up in the sky. And try to say the poem with me. You ready? We're going to do it 3 times. Just straight down, then we're done. That's how we write a 1. Let's try it again. Just straight down, then we're done. That's how we write a 1. One more time. Just straight down, then we're done. That's how we write a 1. Boys and girls, we didn't start down and go up. We started from the dot and we went down. Just how I showed you on the skyline grass line here. How we started at the skyline and then we went straight down to, started at the skyline and we went straight down to the grass line. That's how you write a 1. You start at the top and you go straight down. Okay, boys and girls, now let's try to write it on the skyline, plane line, grass line, worm line. So when you do the number 1, you start at the skyline and you go straight down to the grass line. Then we're done. That's how we write a 1. So you start at the skyline, go just straight down to the grass line. Then we're done. That's how we write a 1. Now, is this correct here? Did I start on the skyline? No. Did I stop at the grass line? No. So that is not the right way to write a 1 on the lines. Is this correct here? No. That looks like just a line. That doesn't look like the number 1 because I didn't start at the skyline. I started up here. And I didn't stop. I went all the way down to here. So that's not correct either. Is this a 1 like this? No, that's not a 1. It's not a straight line. You want a nice straight line from the skyline down to the grass line. I would like you to practice this. You can pause the video and practice. Okay, boys and girls, now in your math folder here, it has this little picture of 1, 2, 3. You're going to go inside and you're going to find on this side here, this paper here. You know it's right if it has the number 1 that we're learning, a dot and 1. And after the video, you're going to do this paper. For now, you're just going to stop and wait for directions. You're just going to watch. You're not going to do it now. So right here, N-A-M-E, you're going to write your name. I'll write my name here just so you can see. You're not going to write my name, though. You're going to write your own name. Okay, now, it says, I can identify, which means name, write, and count to the number 1. So, you're going to trace the number 1 here. You can go start at the top, go straight down, then you're done. That's how we write the 1. Just straight down, then we're done. That's how we write the 1. Just straight down, then we're done. That's how we write the 1. Now here it says write the number. So you're going to start at the top, then you go just straight down, then we're done. That's how we write the 1. Just straight down, then we're done. That's how we write the 1. Just straight down, then we're done. That's how we write the 1. Okay, so now for the next one, we have to identify. We have to find the number 1. Is this the number 1? No. Is this the number 1? Mm-mm. Is this the number 1? Yes, and Mrs. Tolman decided to get a nice color so I can make my papers look colorful. You can do that too if you like. Okay, that is not the number 1. No. Yes, that is the number 1. I'm going to get a different color. I found another one. That's not as bright. I might try to do that a different color because that one just wasn't as bright as I like it to be. Okay. Is that the one? No. Is that a one? Mm-mm. Yep, there's a one. And we have one more. Now on this one, it says, illustrate the number on a 10 frame and the domino. Let me move this just a little bit. This is a 10 frame, boys and girls. And in this box here, this very first box, I want you to draw a circle and just color it in. And that's all you're going to do there. Just one dot in this box here. So you wouldn't want to do it in this box or this box. Only this box here are you going to do the number 1. Now, here is a domino. I want you to draw one circle, and you can choose whatever side you want to draw it on. I'm going to pick a different color, and I am going to do one circle on this side here. Okay. Boys and girls, when you are finished with that, you may go ahead and go back up to the number 1s that you traced up top, and you can color it. But make sure, boys and girls, that you try to stay inside the lines. So take your time and make sure you start at the top and color down, like so. I'm taking my time. I am not going outside the line. Is that correct? No. You want to try to stay inside the lines as nice and neat as you can. Okay. And make sure you try to get rid of all that white space. I want that 1 to be orange, not orange and white. So I try to get rid of all that orange space. Like this is not really coloring all the way, is it? Because you can see all that white. So you want to go back and make sure you color it all the way in so it's all brown. All right, and I have one more white to color. Oh, I picked a white one up. I don't want to color it white. All right, this last one here. Just take your time, no need to rush. All right, boys and girls. Now, when you're finished with this sheet of paper, Mrs. Toman loves to see your work, and I want to give you a great big smiley face for it. So make sure when you're finished, your home helper takes a picture of it and sends it to me. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.